Hi, it's Desiree with Desiree's Designs, and I am so excited to be partnering up with Sulky again and doing another webinar for you guys. We are really excited about our brand new fabric line that's releasing, and we've put together this special pillow wall hanging project for this webinar that we're going to be showing you how to put together super easy, super fast, and these are great gifts for those special people in your lives. You're going to be learning a lot in this webinar. You're going to be learning how to use some foam to put under lettering or initials or anything that you want to give some dimension to and make stand out more. It's just a really fun extra thing you can add to your project. We're also going to be talking about how to make these fun little tassels that can be added on, sewn on to any project. We're going to put them on the ends of our pillow here. We're going to be showing you how to make those, and those are really fun and fast, and you guys, I think, are going to love it. We're going to be talking about putting toppers over faux fur. I love to use faux fur in projects. Anytime I give my grandkids a project that has any kind of faux fur, they just love it. So this is just a really fun project that incorporates a lot of different techniques that are really, really doable and easy for you on your embroidery machine, and the tassels you just make with your thread. This is with the Sulky 12-weight thread. We love it. So I hope to see you there at our special webinar with Sulky in December. Okay, bye-bye.